Friends, welcome back to NG Academy. Today we are going to discuss about how are bases formed. In our previous video, we have already discussed about the base. What is base? Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the formation of base. Well, friends, how are base formed? You can see the question. Now I will discuss how the bases are formed. Let's go to number one. Okay, now in wait friends, just a minute. Okay, okay, now it's okay. It is visible now. See here, friends. A reaction between oxygen and reactive metals. Bases are formed by following process. First process is reaction between oxygen and reactive metals. See, you can see here oxygen, O2 is our oxygen molecule, and another is a reactive metal. We have got Mg. It is very reactive metal. Okay, my friends, I hope you have understood up to here. Now if they combine, when magnesium reacts with oxygen molecule, then magnesium oxide is formed. So metal oxide is called base. Mg is metal and oxide, here is oxide, MgNO. So when when we combine these things, magnesium and oxygen, magnesium oxide is formed, and this is called base. What is this? Base. Okay, now similarly, potassium is highly reactive metal. When potassium combine with oxygen, then potassium oxide is formed. So metal oxide, what we know about base, the definition of base is metal oxide or metal hydroxide is called base. So this is metal, potassium is metal, and O is oxide, potassium oxide is base. This is how base is formed. Now let's go to number 2, my friends. So here, now what number 2 says? Number 2, due to the decomposition of what happened, wait my friends. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, let's choose color, my dear friends. I would like to take the red color. Okay, now see here. Okay, why it is moving? Wait. Okay, due to the decomposition of metal carbonates. Okay, now where is metal carbonate? Here, calcium carbonate. See here, this is calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate, okay, let me zoom this again so that it could be visible. Okay, my friends, see here, you can see here. But let me erase this part. Why it is not erasing? Let me get out of it. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, due to the decomposition of metal carbonate, see here, calcium carbonate is metal carbonate. Calcium is metal, this one is metal, and this one is carbonate. When it is heated, okay, when calcium carbonate is heated, so where is the reaction here? Okay, here missing, something is missing here. Okay, I will give an arrow. Here should be arrow. Okay, here should be arrow. Now I will give heat here. See here, when calcium carbonate is heated, when this calcium carbonate is heated, then it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. What is calcium oxide? This one, This is base. I hope you have understood these things. Okay, similarly we give arrow to this one. Arrow is missing here. Okay, reaction, in reaction there must be arrow. Sodium carbonate, see here, sodium carbonate. Sodium is metal, this sodium is metal, this CO3 is carbonate, metal carbonate, and when metal carbonate is heated it decomposes into sodium oxide and carbon dioxide. So here our sodium oxide is base. See here how bases are formed. I think you are clear now. Okay, now let's move to number 3. My dear friends, let's choose color. Okay, number 3, metal oxide react with water to form base. Metal oxides here, sodium is metal, O is oxide, sodium oxide, metal oxide. When react with water, see this is water, and it forms what it forms? Sodium hydroxide, which is called base. How it is base? Do you know? Metal hydroxide are bases. Okay, sodium is metal and hydroxide. Okay, now let's see second one, potassium oxide. See here, this is potassium oxide. When metal oxide, potassium oxide, react with water, then what it gives? It gives potassium hydroxide, which is base, because potassium is metal and OH is hydroxide. Metal hydroxides is called base. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you have understood these things. Okay, now let's zoom out. My friends, I hope you have understood how bases are formed. Now in our next video we will meet again. Thank you for watching the video.